How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be a shout out to a new channel, and it's going to be a stash ad and my entry into the box stock group build hosted by Gary. So right now, let's start with the shout out. All right, guys, this is a very new channel. This is the Model Car Guy. His name's Jonathan. He's a fine young man, one heck of a builder. I need y'all to go over there and check him out and give him support and love. But, you know, these young guys right here, these are the future of our community, of the model building community, you know, the future of model building, period. So get over there and check him out, please. And if you're not subscribed to him, please get over there and give him a subscribe. And I will have links to anybody I mentioned below in the description. And here in a second, I'll turn this around. And I've got this. I'm just holding it right now. I ain't got it in a stand. So if it's wobbly, guys, bear with me. This was his latest model that he had just did right here. You can see that Dodge right there. Let me put my mouse on it. He did a good job building that little Dodge pickup with the mini bike. Y'all go check him out. All right, the second part of this video is going to be my entry into Gary's at the Fallout Shelter, his box stock group build, which y'all can see that right there. And I'm going to pause this and I'll turn it around and show you what I got going on with that. All right, guys, before we start, showing you what I'm going to do for Gary's group build, I forgot to mention the very first thing, and that's not like me. I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers, guys. If it wasn't for y'all, I would not have a channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go round, guys. Thank you. All right. And, and if you're not a subscriber and you're watching this video, man, it's free. Free. Please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell. It's all free. I will never ask you for a dime, for anything, just support me by liking and watching. Share if you want. If you don't want to, don't. That's the way it is. All right, guys. Love you. All right. With that being said, I give the shout out to the young kid named Jonathan. Please go over there and check him out. Our future, bro. Our future. All right. Now, Gary at the Fallout Shelter. I think he used to be Transition Modeler. But yeah, hey, Gary. He's got a box stock group build. And I'm going to join that. I'm going to jump in on that because I can get this done pretty quick. I really would like to get in on that fat fenders and fins from Rob. I'm not saying I'm not, Rob. I'm just going to have to see how time goes. I've got so much crap going on right now. Time, and I can only build one thing at a time. It's so hard to do. I got the van on the desk right now, probably about 3/4 of the way done here. So I'm gonna try it, Rob. And if y'all don't know who I'm talking about, Rob, whatever, it'll be in the description below. Rob, he will be hosting the Fat Fenders and Fins. And that's Rob from Time Machine Models. All right, so I'll have that in the description below. Gary's description will be below too. And this is what I'm gonna build. And like I said, I picked this because it's going to be super simple. At first, I told Gary, I said, can I do plug wires, photo etched, or chrome form photo etched if it comes in the kit? He said, yes, if it comes in the kit from the manufacturer. And I do have a car to do that. But then I got to thinking, man, I do not have time to get into a build like that with this on here. With the RC from the RCL. I mean, I got so much stuff going on. I'm not going to be able to do it, guys. So So this is what I got going on right here. This is going to be simple, quick, and this is a vintage kit. Yes, I love to build my vintage kits. They do not just sit in the box, which, you know, I got millions of them. I got them all around here. I understand, you know, you ain't got to that yet. Well, it's hard. I'm building a vintage kit right now, that van, camper van. You know, everything I try to do, I try to get these vintage kits built. And I do build my new kits too. But this one right here, guys, this is a Strombecker. And this kit is from the very early 60s to probably early 60s. It don't have a date on the box, but I'm going to tell you right now, it's early 60s. And this is a 1909 Hupmobile 16 horsepower roadster. You can see that right there. Here's the box to it. Yeah, I'm not seeing a date on this thing. It was made by Strombecker in the USA, in Illinois. Same thing here. There's no date on the box, and I didn't see them on the instructions. But I'm going to open this up and show you that it has not been built. There's the instructions. There are all the parts. Everything's still on their bags. It's molded in two colors, yellow and red. And that will be my entry into the box stock group build, hosted by Gary at the Fallout Shelter. That's our Northern Canadian brother from another mother up there. And that's what I'm going to be doing right there. Okay, the last part of this video was, I got a few more adds to the stash here. So I got this one here. It makes about, I got 5 of these now. This is from 1973. Box is a little rough, but body has been painted, but it's never been built other than the body. The body has been painted in the little few parts to it, but other than that, it's never been built. That was a good find right there. I love my 56 Chevys. Speaking of 56 Chevys, my dad owned a 56 Chevy when I was a kid. And my brother-in-law owns a 56 Chevy right now that his grandpa bought brand new right here in Boonville at the Chevrolet place in 1956. And he still has that car, all original, takes it to car shows and stuff. Beautiful car. Alright, the next one I got was this right here, Color Me Gone. I've got several of these, but you know, for the price, man, I couldn't pass it up. It's still sealed inside. I mean, it was cheap, guys. Still sealed inside. And then the cut the grass, as old Mr. B.G. Bryan would say. Look at that. Warlock, 1977, 78, whatever it is, Dodge pickup. It don't necessarily say the year on it, but it was built in 78, I know. I don't think it has a date on the box. Nope, it does, 77. Sorry, 77. Where's it at? Right there, 1977. 1977 Warlock. It's not been built. It's not in the bags, but it's all there. It's accounted for. Everything's accounted for. It's molded in black, chrome, and gold wheels. And clear, of course. But never been built. It's even got the decals and everything. Of course, they're a little yellow, but they're there. I could probably use them. I could probably make them work. If not, I can order some decals for it. But all right, guys, that right there will be it for this this episode, or whatever you want to call it, this video. The van is back here. I'm starting to get it in color. That's all I'm going to show you of that, because, you know, that's a whole different video, guys. That's a whole different video. But all right, guys, trying to get caught up on all y'all's videos. I'm so far behind, and I stay behind, guys. But you'll see me when you see me. But I get there. I promise. I do get around to getting there. It might be a week later or so. Oh, and Jason for Model Kit Stuff, I have not forgot about your Meet the Creator video. I will get there. I just have not had time to really sit down and do this. And two, I'm going to have to figure out how to get that video to you. You shared a little link thing in the email. I'll have to figure that out. You got to realize I'm not the smartest guy when it comes to this technology crap. So I'll try to get that figured out for you here soon. Hopefully maybe by the weekend. Of course, I told you that last weekend, but I'm trying, Gary. Or not Gary, Jason. I'm trying. All right, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace out. Love you. Maybe.